How to spot a phishing attempt. Hey there, cyber-savvy folks. Welcome back to our channel where we make cybersecurity as fun as a game of cat and mouse. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of spotting phishing attempts. But fear not, we've got some nifty tricks up our sleeves. First things first, let's talk about what phishing is. It's not fishing for compliments, folks. Phishing is when cyber-crooks try to bait you into revealing sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers. Sneaky, right? Picture this. You're innocently scrolling through your emails when suddenly you get a bite. But wait, is that a phishing attempt or a genuine email? Time to reel it in and find out. Now, let's look out for the red flags. Misspellings, generic greetings, urgent requests, these are all signs that something fishy's going on. Don't take the bait. Oh, looks like someone took the bait and clicked on a phishing link. But fear not, our cyber hero is here to save the day. Time to report and block that fishy sender. And now, for the main piece, the ultimate phishing shield: two-factor authentication, spam filters, and good old-fashioned skepticism are your best allies in the fight against phishing villains. And there you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, you'll be dodging phishing attempts like a pro. Stay safe out there in the cyber seas, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cyber adventures. Until next time, stay vigilant and hack-proof.